Betty. Are you sitting in the big boy chair? Yeah? Yes, I just got done eating my sweet potatoes. Huh. Huh, Betty? Wow, look at those legs go. What are you doing with those legs, huh? You trying to run away? You trying to run away? Are you going to talk to the camera? Are you going to talk to the camera? Huh, buddy? You want to say something? What do you want to say? Hmm? Want to say hi? Want to say hi, buddy? Hello? Want to say hi? Okay, I guess not. Not today, huh? Alright. Bye, Betty. You just keep kicking. There you go.